Okay, qualifying 2. This year the weather was crazy. Yesterday it rained and then we did the qualifying. This morning at 8 I opened the window, I saw the rain again and I said, okay, let's go back to sleep. We will miss qualifying 2. 1 hour later they called me from the racetrack telling me, hey, the sun came out, the track is dry, come here. Come on. Really? So I ran to the racetrack, I dressed myself and now I'm ready for Q2. The track is dry, it didn't rain that much, so it's gonna be fast. I'm pretty sure that someone is gonna do 139. Now I've put the KX on the rear, which is the most performing tire, and the K2 again in the front. Now with that tire on the rear, I should go pretty fast.
Trying not to follow suit. Don't like the color, I'll change the shade of it. I'm not afraid of it. I know
Oh my god, this tire has so much grip that I don't know how to handle it. The thing is that having that much grip, every time I'm braking and cornering, I feel the rear pushing the front and I feel the front. And this is driving me crazy because I don't know how to handle it. First lap 40.7. Not good yet. Second lap 40.8. Not good. Come on, third lap, 40.7 once again. I am stuck there. I don't know how to take advantage of all that grip. That's it. That's the best I can do. I really don't know how to manage that tire. I'll be honest with you, I'm quite disappointed because I know that I had 139, because if I did 40.7 with totally finished hard tires, come on. But the thing is, I couldn't make it. This teaches us that it doesn't necessarily mean that if you put a super performing tire with a lot of grip, you automatically go faster. Because you need to know how to use it. You need to know how to take advantage of all that grip. You need to adapt to the tire, you need to change the lines. And I knew that. I mean, I knew it theoretically, but I didn't know how to actually do it. That's because this year, due to this COVID situation, we couldn't find a KX tire to test on Misano. So this is the first time I use it. By the way, I will start fourth. It's okay. The starting procedure is a little bit different than last year. This year, due to the COVID, we were supposed to do 6 racing weekend, but we are going to do 3. So every racing weekend is gonna have 2 races. One on Sunday, which is exactly like last year, and one on Saturday. So the Saturday races will be held all in the afternoon, and there will be sprint races. 7 laps with quick start procedure. What does it mean? It means that you exit the pit lane, you do a warm-up lap, you go on the starting grid. You have no grid like with umbrella girls, mechanics, blankets, nothing like that. You just stay on the grid for 2 minutes, then green flag, you do another warm-up lap, then you go back to the grid and you're ready to start. Now, 7 laps can be a lot or can be not that much. It's very important to start well, but even if you don't do a good start, you still have time to recover. So, if I don't manage to make a good start, no worries, I will have time to recover. Now, in front of me I have Rossi, who did 1:39, I told you. Then I have Guaracino and Giacchino. Gilardoni, my friend, did 12, so not his best. And behind me in 7th position I have Michael D'Ambrosio. He was supposed to race in the slower class, but it was so fast that they moved it to the higher class. So it's gonna be a nice battle. Start is not the best. D'Ambrosio, as always, started like a rocket, but no worries, I got 7 laps to recover. Oh! What the fuck? How did I lose the rear like that? I didn't do anything wrong and I found myself flying. Oh my god, I am in the middle of the track. I need to get up immediately and show myself to the other riders. Oh shit. I broke my ankle. I don't feel pain, I don't feel anything. But when I tried to stand up, I just couldn't. Luckily nobody hit me, so I'll just tell the marshals that it's over.